I am going to discuss about the increased use of pesticides and herbicides in the northern side of Maharashtra. This is my village, and name of the village is Tupari, which is in Tahsil, in Palus Tahsil of Sangli district in Maharashtra. On one side you can see this is Krishna river, and on another side there are Sahyadri hill ranges. So in between there are number of villages, and right now the increased use of pesticides is a major concern in this area. Every agricultural plot is being sprayed with some kind of pesticides or herbicides, and this is an alarming situation for all the people who are living in this area. United Nations Sustainable Development Goals target number 3.9 sets to reduce the number of deaths and diseases caused because of polluted air, polluted soil, as well as hazardous chemicals. And these particular chemicals are coming in the category of hazardous chemicals, and it can result into some kind of deaths as well as diseases. Right now 3 important pesticides are being used in Maharashtra, and if I'll see the name of these herbicides and weedicides, first one is glyphosate, second one is atrazine, and third one is 2,4-D. These are 3 important weedicides which are used in the agricultural plots, and these are very hazardous, very dangerous as far as the human health is concerned. But people are not bothered about this one, and I am very confident that each and every particle of this soil is right now contaminated, and it will directly affect on the health of the people. Besides this, it will also affect on the environment. Because the non-target species will be killed, non-targeted animal as well as plant species will be killed. The World Health Organization data shows that in 2019, because of these hazardous chemicals, there were more than 2 million deaths, and out of these 2 million deaths, 42% deaths were because of the cardiovascular diseases, and 26% diseases were because of the chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and 17% because of the cancers. Now you see, these are the number of diseases, deaths caused because of different chemicals which we are using in our day-to-day activities. So what I would like to suggest is we need to aware people about the importance of the clean environment and what will be the impact of the exposure to these kind of hazardous chemicals on their health, and awareness is required, and we need to minimize the use of these pesticides, and for that education and awareness is required. Besides this, capacity building, leadership skills are also needed to be developed in the people about these issues.